Hey, what's up, guys? This is Amin, and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Make Money with Amin. Today, I want to talk about how can we get direct client from Alibaba. Yes, this is very important tutorial for freelancer who is want to work out of market and who is want to get direct client from Alibaba. So this is very important for all audience. So let's get started. Okay, first of all, go to Google and search Alibaba. After that, you will see this website alibaba.com, and then just open new tab or go to this link, and after that you will see the website alibaba.com. First of all, you should sign up with your email and definitely complete your profile, because if you want to uh, direct message from this website, you should complete your profile. After that, just search here your targeted niche, like I want to search woman clothing. Okay, so there are a lot of business here, so if you want to work with some clothing business, so definitely you should search clothing. So I'm just search here women's clothing. Then you should just select the country that you want to reach out, like you want to work with some United States people, so you just click here the country United States. Okay, so I want to click here. After that, you will see lot of product in the first page, so you just a little scroll below and find some newly launched company, like 1 year or 2 years. So here is the information. So I want to open it. I want to open also this one. So, and you should open minimum 3 4 5 that you want. Okay, so after that you will find so this is UK. Maybe I have selected UK. I don't know where I am right now. So, oh, sorry, I have selected UK. So United Kingdom. So if you want to select United States, definitely you can do this. So I want to get client from UK. So this is the product. So how we can get the client from here? This is the product selling website, but how we can get the client? Okay, so I want to explain everything, so please just follow my step. So first of all, just click the company information here, and after that you will see just here contact details. So I want to click here. Then I want to see the all things, like company phone number, mobile number. So if you want to contact with these people or managing director or the company owner, so definitely you can contact with this number. But my suggestion is, please go to this website first of all, because you should analyze the company, and after that find out the service that or service opportunity that you want to provide. So I want to go this website. So maybe this site is new and there is no site, but this site host on Hostinger, and it's just coming soon page. So if you want, you can offer this company for your website design development service. And I want to so as a web developer, if you want to sell your web design development service, definitely you can do this with this company. Okay, just send a message or email. I have checked your website and this website is not loading properly. Maybe you need to design or redesign. So definitely you can outreach with these people, and definitely you will get the project. So I want to open another one, this one. So spark it, sorry, so all the website all the company is same, so I want to choose another one from here. Okay, so I want to go next one, and I want to select this one, also this one. This is 3 years. No, I want to work with some company newly launched like 1 year. So most of the supplier is the same, I think, but I want to different. So I want to change the country from here. Okay, I want to change the country from United Kingdom to United States. So here it is. And I want to open some products from here, also from here. Okay, the three. So this is the company. I want to click here, and I want to see the company contact details here. Contact details. So this tutorial for educational purpose. So the if the see the company owner, I'm just teaching how can outreach the people. Okay, so here is the company website. I want to copy and I want to paste here and to cut these 2-3 things. So here is the website. So if you want to sell digital marketing service, you should analyze this website, SEO and other things like the ranking or keyword. All the things, also find out the website error, SEO error. So after that you can easily tell the company owner or website owner this is the bug or something like that, so you can easily outreach with this client and offer your service. And after that definitely if the client think that needs service, so definitely he or she will reply with your mail or message. Okay, so this is very cool thing. Also, if you not get any information from here, like don't have any company's website, you should search the company name with company name from your Facebook page and Google. So definitely you will find them, and after that analysis all the things definitely, and after that you should outreach and send message, mail or something like that. So this is very important tutorial for all the audience who is really want to get direct client from out of market. And I want to continue this series. Definitely I will publish some more effective and effective way to how to get client outside of marketplace. So if you want to get the update notification, please like this video and subscribe this channel, and definitely I will publish all the videos. Okay, and I am trying to publish a lot of things like affiliate marketing, AdSense, blogging and other things. So if you want to share this video, and if you think this video is helpful for you, please share with your friends and please support me. Thank you so much, and see you soon.